So this is what happens when you're calling Popeyes, guys, when the chicken sandwich just released. Alright guys, so in this video, we are going to test out the Chick-fil-A sandwich and the new spicy and regular Louisiana Popeyes chicken and tell you guys what we think about it. Let's do it.
Let's go.
We're in the car right now, currently on our mission to get the most coveted Popeyes Louisiana chicken sandwich. And guys, we already have bad news. I called the location closest to my house and they said they were out tonight. And I'm getting kind of nervous because this is the only other one that's semi-close to our house. And they're not answering the phone. The phone lines are busy. So
really,
we're on our way to see if they have it in stock still.
Yeah.
Let's cross our fingers.
Dan was just telling me a story that he called in to 7 Popeyes pretty much. And then here's the phone call history. Yeah, so this is how many times Dan called, Dan vs. World called Popeyes for the sandwich though. This is how poppin' it is. I'm gonna figure it out today. Dan vs. World Mukbang for the Mukbang.
Guys, so we just pulled up to Popeyes. It is 9:03. They close at 10. Look at this line. Oh my goodness. I feel like we're waiting for Yeezys.
No, seriously. Oh my goodness. See, this is a new thing.
Look at this line.
I did not know that this sandwich was this desirable.
The Popeyes all the way over there. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I want to trying to wait in this line, guys. But we got to do this for the mukbang, for the muk gang.
Dude, we have to.
Come on. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous.
Can we go inside?
Let's see. Let's see if they even have the sandwich available. I would hate to wait in this long ass line and have the sandwich not be available.
Yeah, that would be terrible.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're pulling up the Popeyes. This is the moment of truth. We're gonna see if they still have the chicken sandwich. So we're walking in this Popeyes and this guy got me really sad. He literally just said it was sold out. We're about to cry, man, but he played us.
What was your name, sir?
Gary.
Gary. What was your reaction? How was the sandwich?
It was good, man. It was good. Really good. I got a spicy chicken sandwich.
Okay.
Had a nice little mild to it.
Okay, cool.
It wasn't too spicy, but it was good.
Okay. Is it overrated or?
No, it's right
not
there.
overrated?
Yeah.
All right.
If it's the shoe, all right. Thank you so much, Gary. Dude, so like,
there's something serious. Packed in here too. Sam was chopping it up with the cashier. What was she saying?
She was saying that they sold out yesterday at like 12 p.m. or something like that, and today, and then they re-upped. They re-upped on the Yeezys.
Yeah,
I guess the corporate knew that the sandwiches were selling well, and so they went ahead and got some more.
Some more Hypebeast Yeezy Boost.
Yeah, they got the Amazon Prime delivery on the chicken though.
I went to 3 different ones today, and one of them, the line was clearly out the door, and they started refunding people's money because they ran out of them after they'd already waited like 30 minutes.
Wow, yeah, that's pretty crazy. Thank you.
No, it's all good, man. I heard it's good though.
All right, guys, so we just pulled up to the Chick of the Filet now to grab the 2 chicken sandwiches to compare. But yeah, as you can see, just regular drive-through. They're not as crowded since they've had their chicken sandwiches since forever. But yeah.
All right, y'all, we made it.
The man is here. He finally got a sandwich.
Made it.
Let's see what we got here.
Made it.
All right.
Made it.
So how long do we have to wait for this, Sam?
Dude, it was
there's still a crazy line back there. I don't know if you guys see it.
It was almost like 20-something minutes, dude. Like
20-something minutes? I think that's like a pretty low wait time from what these other people were saying. All right, so this sandwich has all the craze surrounding it right now. Everyone and their mothers wants to try it. It's been sold out on many places. And the line for Popeyes has been huge everywhere. I've seen it on Twitter, right?
Yeah, well, even the line for Popeyes, even when we're actually in store, was very, very busy.
We finally got it. And yeah, we just came back from our mission in the drive-thru, getting these Popeye sandwiches, and now we're finally back here in the crib. And we're about to try it for you guys.
We waited like 25 minutes.
Yeah, we waited for almost 30 minutes for the Popeye sandwich.
Yeah,
and we're torturing ourselves in the car. Yeah, we're torturing ourselves making this mukbang because we're just in the car with the smell of all this fried chicken. And it was just so tempting and we're so hungry.
Okay.
And we're about to try for the first time. Are you guys ready?
Let's go.
So this is the spicy.
Which one are we doing first?
We're gonna do the Popeyes first because you know Popeyes is the new one. Chick-fil-A has been here for a minute.
And they also have this new sauce.
New sauce. What is this?
Yeah, it's called Cajun sparkle sauce. I think they released it for the Popeyes sandwich. So
Cajun sparkle. All right,
yeah,
let's do it.
It's Cajun sparkle ranch. Yeah, so we'll have one without it and then one with it.
All right. Well, let's just take our first bite first. This I'm assuming this is spicy. That's the regular.
Yeah, this is the regular.
1, 2, 3.
Wow. Wow. Mm-hmm. Yo.
First off, I'm gonna say how crunchy this chicken sandwich is.
Dude, yeah. This is
Really
killer.
crunchy.
This is killer.
Look at this.
It's pretty much like having a
fried chicken.
Popeyes chicken tender inside of a bun. It's so good. It's like very juicy, very crispy. Oh, wow.
All right, now we're gonna switch. He took the spicy, and I took the spicy and he took this. Yeah, this is pretty spicy. It's not super spicy, but there's like a little tang in there. My lip is kind of like tingling right now, and so far it's pretty good. Let me taste the regular. Now we're gonna switch
Go
off
for the regular. Okay.
All right.
All right, ready? Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm.
I don't know why. This one is crunchy. I don't know if it's placebo, but I think like the spicy sauce kind of like, cause it's kind of like a wet sauce. It might have like made the chicken a bit soggy, but yeah, guys. Honestly, there's so much hype surrounding it that I don't want to give in to the hype. But this might be one of the best chicken sandwiches
It's
I've
really
tasted.
good. It's really, really
Just
good.
because the chicken in there is so crunchy, and Popeye is known to have really crunchy fried chicken.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's like a huge, big chicken tender in there.
It's amazing.
And this one seems to have like a different sauce. This one kind of has like a spicy mayo sauce. This one's just like a mayo sauce. And the pickle in there is a good compliment too.
I agree.
And also the bread. The bread is like, it's pretty like spongy, and it's really good.
You know what I would like to see? What they could do as like Popeyes. I'm putting a patent on this. This is what I'm thinking. You know their biscuits. How their biscuits are super good. They can add a little piece of chicken inside
on
of
the
their biscuit.
biscuits.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. He patented it.
See,
So
there it
Popeyes, if you do this, you gotta cut us a check.
It was here first. It was here first.
All right. So we took a bite of the regular spicy and the regular this. Now we're gonna do it with their new Cajun sparkly sauce.
Okay, so before like between the two, which one would you prefer to eat?
To be honest, this one is pretty spicy. I'm not like a heavy spicy eater.
Okay.
So probably this one.
Okay. Yeah, this one's more like rich and like smooth. Yeah.
Yeah. You could taste more of like the fried chicken in here, basically.
That's very true.
All right, we're about to try it with the new ranch sauce, I guess.
All right. Wow. That's pretty good, dude.
I'm gonna use a little bit more to test it out.
I like it a lot. Can I get a little bit more too? Wow. That sauce is actually really good.
Surprisingly good. So I'm very picky with my sauces. But yeah, I thought it was gonna be weird because there's like a lot of oil in it. But kind of tastes like Chick-fil-A sauce, but less sweet.
It tastes like
There's like a little tang in it too. It's kind of spicy.
it tastes
really
like
good.
Chick-fil-A sauce with like a hint of like boiling crab or like Cajun
chili in it?
crab. Yeah,
Yeah.
like that little chili.
Tastes like Chick-fil-A sauce, but more heavy on the ranch side. Because it is called Cajun Sparkle Ranch Sauce, so yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of like a spicy ranch. But yeah, you want to trade again?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, no. We're going to go on to a Chick-fil-A sandwich.
Okay, that's good.
Can't leave this one behind. Can't be too full, so we got to give it accurate analysis.
True.
All right. So we're here with the
What is that? The spicy chicken sandwich?
spicy chicken sandwich. All right. You want to go spicy first this time because I went spicy first?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. And the
Regular chicken sandwich?
regular chicken sandwich. Compare and contrast. While it's fresh in our taste buds. You know?
Man, I will not lie, guys, that this Popeye
It lived
chicken
up to the
sandwich,
hype.
it impressed me a lot, actually.
Similar setup. A piece of chicken.
Yeah, a little piece
bread and dill pickles.
Yeah. Sandwich. The bread, I will say the bread on Chick-fil-A is a little different from the Popeye
Yeah,
one.
the Popeye ones look a little bit fuller. But
Yeah.
let's see. Take a
Okay.
bite, no sauce. Let's do it.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
What's your consensus? I will say that this is way less crunchy than the Popeyes one. 100% less crunchy.
I would have to agree. It's way less crunchy. But I think the chicken inside is very tender, very juicy.
It is.
I'm not gonna lie, man. That Popeyes chicken sandwich, that extra crunchy fillet of chicken in there just was amazing.
I must say that these two sandwiches are completely different vibes, though.
Yeah.
Low-key. They
Honestly,
present different things, you know?
This tastes more like, yeah, you're right. I don't know, but The bread on this one is thinner too. I
don't
feel like
yeah.
I'm eating like a hamburger bun.
I don't like the bread on this one as opposed to the Popeyes one. The Popeyes one is, like you said earlier, a lot fuller. It is a lot fuller.
All right, now let's switch. I'm trying spicy.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
All right.
Ready?
Okay. It's juicy. I'll give it that.
Yeah.
The Chick-fil-A sandwich is really juicy. It's really good. Like they're both very good sandwiches.
Yeah.
But if I have to pick between one as the better chicken sandwich, probably be Popeyes for sure.
For sure. Dude, Chick-fil-A, they're coming for your throat.
That's
be careful.
an honest opinion. But yeah, just like the breading in here is like it's more full. It kind of tastes like a like kind of like a Hawaiian bread type vibe.
Yeah, it's sweeter.
This one seems like just like a regular hamburger bun. And yeah. How about this? All right, we're gonna try it with the sauce.
Yeah.
Forgot about that. Forgot about that.
Dude, the
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Chick-fil-A sauce changes the game. It's actually very true.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A sauce. Here, let me try the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Chick-fil-A sauce is game changer. That's facts.
Yeah, the one thing I would say about Chick-fil-A, I really love their sauces.
If I could buy a whole gallon of Chick-fil-A sauce, I would.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A sauce is really good.
If they sold it in store, I would.
So I'm gonna try it with the sauce to see if it makes a difference. Ah.
Dude, Tyga, was that you? Oh.
What's up?
Oh shit.
Oh.
I snapped it a bit.
Alright.
Holy crap.
So I will say, Chick-fil-A sauce is just on another level. It's way better than the...
I think it's better than the Popeyes
I think
Cajun?
it's not way better, but I think it's better than the Popeyes sauce. So...
You know what we should do?
You know what? Yeah, I think we read each other's mind.
Yeah, okay, go for it.
So what we need to do is, what you need to do, the consensus from this video, if you got anything out of this video, it is to go to Chick-fil-A, get a bunch of Chick-fil-A sauce, and then grab a Popeye sandwich at your nearest Popeyes, and just use it.
And try it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm about to do right now.
Yeah.
Put some Chick-fil-A sauce on this Popeye sandwich.
Alright.
Wow.
How is it? Crazy?
Game changer.
I'm excited. This is a game changer right here. Popeye sandwich with the infamous Chick-fil-A sauce.
That's how you do it.
I think this might be the move, guys. I think this is probably the best way to consume a chicken sandwich. It's the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna continue eating. I think we tried both of them with all the variations we could have. So yeah, we're just gonna eat now and talk about our experience at Popeyes.
Okay.
How is it? Is that far?
Dude,
it's really
it's
good.
Game changer.
Right.
Game changer.
Here, you wanna try this, the original? Or you wanna keep going? Here,
I wanna try the
I'm gonna eat the spicy.
I wanna try the I wanna try the Chick-fil-A sandwich with the Popeye sauce.
Yeah?
Even though,
Okay.
yeah, I'm just messing around now.
Yeah.
I'm just experimenting now.
I still think that this is inferior to the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh, I agree 100%. Yeah. I agree 100%. What I must say though is that
so crunchy.
When we were at Popeyes, we met a bunch of cool cats, like a bunch of cool individuals. So
I just have to emphasize this one more time, bro. The chicken in here is just super crunchy. Let me know if you can hear the crunch when I bite into it.
Yeah, I heard that.
And I think it's pretty rare for like a piece of chicken fillet to be that crunchy within a chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
Just because all the spread that's in the sandwich, it usually makes it kind of soggy. But man, it's really crunchy.
I feel like when you guys see the video, Dan got some awesome footage of them making the chicken sandwich. And when I first walked in to the Popeyes chicken sandwich, surprised at how thick the chicken was. Like it was huge in comparison to the Chick-fil-A sandwich. Yeah, it was. Guys, it's massive. Like compare the fillets. If the Popeyes one is so much thicker.
Well, we're almost finished with the sandwich.
True, that's very true.
Just take our word on it.
Very true.
Oh my god.
There was one guy actually when we were walking in. Dan and I were coming in, and we were watching, or we were looking at the. We were walking into the Popeyes. Some guy came out. And he was like, yo, they sold out. And Dan and I were tripping. We were like, oh my goodness, like already? You know what I mean? Because when I first got to Dan's, he was like, oh yeah, I called in at 7 Chick-fil-A's. I was like, wow, I'm surprised because For me, this is a new thing. I don't use social media that much.
I called them like 9 times, but like to 3 or 4 different Chick-fil-A's.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I did not know. That it was that serious.
Yeah,
you know?
because right now, the chicken sandwich just came out. And everyone and their grandmothers are trying to get it. And yeah, so the first one I called, they said they ran out. And then the other 2 I called, the landline was busy. So I'm assuming either A, they turned off their phone because they're getting too many calls, or B, there's too many people calling in. So we're really scared, and it was like, they closed at 10 and we came at 9. So like, honestly, we took a long shot, but you miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
That's
so we still did it.
If you're watching this video, Gary, you got us.
Yeah, bro.
For sure.
Also, we met another lady outside. We interviewed her, but she didn't want to be on camera, but she basically said that these sandwiches are very overrated. She's black, so she said that her grandmother and her mom makes like the best fried chicken, and she says that like this is just not in par. Oh, this is the Chick-fil-A, by the way. Popeyes chicken isn't up to par with, you know, real Louisiana type fried chicken. But I don't know if this is overrated and this isn't good. I would really like to try her chicken.
Oh yeah,
because it must be amazing. Because I think this is amazing. Maybe I'm not cultured, but yeah, it's a little story time for you.
Yeah, it was really good. One thing that we should do. We should do a mukbang with some Filipino fried chicken. That'd be fun, for sure. Yeah, that'd be very fun.
We're gonna summarize everything again and give you guys our final thoughts on the Popeyes and Chick-fil-A chicken sandwiches. In all, I think the Popeyes one rules all. The bread is spongier. There's like a hint of sweetness in the bread. It's a thicker type of bread. The chicken, it's like a real thick piece of chicken. Super crunchy. I think that's what separates the 2 sandwiches. Popeyes one is just super crunchy. And yeah, that's why I think the Popeyes one is better.
Yeah.
So tell me why you think the Chick-fil-A one is not as good.
Okay, so this is what I have to say. So what Dan emphasized, the bread is spongier, the chicken is thicker. But also the differences between the spicy chicken sandwich, the Popeye sandwich actually has a kick to it. It actually has like a very strong kick to it, right? With the spicy chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A, I barely taste the spiciness from it. It's there, but
so you're saying the spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes is a lot better than?
Yes, I think the executed better is the best way to say it.
I'm not a spicy eater, but I will say, now that you bring it up, I will say the Popeyes chicken sandwich was spicier than the chicken sandwich. Like I tasted the spice more.
And I usually prefer my food a lot spicier. So
okay, yeah.
That's why that was one of the first things I noticed. And I will say that the chicken from Popeye is better as well, I think. Okay. I think that's in my personal opinion, but that's about it.
All right, we're not gonna do Chick-fil-A all the way dirty. The chicken from Chick-fil-A is really tender. I like how juicy it is. It's always juicy. I've never gotten like chicken that wasn't juicy there. And their Chick-fil-A sauce was next level. So yeah,
Chick-fil-A sauce is unbeatable sauce. That's facts.
All right, so yeah, if you guys want to see some more food vlogs, mukbang, like this video, comment what you guys want us to eat next, and subscribe to Dan vs. World.
That's right.
For more mukbangs and food vlogs.
Mukbang for the mukbang.
Mukbang for the mukbang. This is